Woo, baby, yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about.
Hey, you know he's there now. Just look at my line moving.
Here, grab that piece. Huh? Well, you want to tap? Look here, look here. All right, come on in this way. Jig it up a little bit, just jig it. There you go. Come on up with it. God dang, you got him that time. Oh, you got him that time. Woo! Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I seen it. I seen that fish. I seen it. Go ahead, get your nose. Come on, Chris, your turn. Too good. Get them back in the water. Come on in here. Look at that. I think we're going to take that picture and get him in. I need a picture of that. That's good. Now, we get a bigger one than that to take a picture. Go on and catch that fish. We get a bigger one than that. He's nice. Y'all got this. Get him on up here. What's wrong with that? Fred, put that fish down that well there, Fred.
Get him in the boat. I don't want him to fall off shooting.
That's fun, ain't it, Fred?
Oh, yeah. That size.
God damn, look at that big one.
What's wrong with that, Miss Fred?
That's a nice one.
I just moved a little bit, didn't you?
Yeah.
And he jumped right on. I knew.
Jigged and tried different 6 inches up, 6 inches down.
I seen him bite. You looked over at me, and I was watching you land, and I started to say something. I said, well, he'll feel it just a minute.
Yeah,
I seen you pop it.
I wanted
Yeah.
to make sure he had
Oh,
it.
you got it. You did good. Going around that roof of that mountain, that's good where you want to be. Oh, you did good. Every fish count. And y'all are over. There he is. I told you. That's good. I told you. I ain't lying.
Yeah.
Shit.
That place ain't, there he is right there, look at that. Good fish too. There ain't nobody in the world know where these fish are but me. They ain't as big as a hoodie you pick up. You see how, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
But I put this brush pile here, and it's the reason why I put it here, and they're there. You got to get it. Get out here, anyway, I can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's true. 'Cause I had to run over twice and make sure I come in the right spot. This place is, look at that good fish right here. That good fish. All right, this, you got yours right here. Come on in here with it, Boudreaux.
I know Boudreaux. Don't hit him with the Boudreaux.
Yeah, he's putting on a clinic up here.
Yeah.
Right in there. Yeah, he's right there. I'm telling you. I told, didn't I point in it? I told you where he's at. They're right there. They're right.
I was trying to put it to the side.
They're almost straight off here, but right in there. They there. Nice one, huh?
A deep hill.
Pretty fish. Yeah, I like that. Oh. Uh-oh. I got a guy. I seen him do it. Dang, I seen that big. Pulled your rod down. Woo! Sacalay, you Louisiana people call them. Small one. No, he's far up. He's right there. That's the brush pile. I'm about, there he is right there. They're there. Man, they just ever cast. Look here. And they're a little bit smaller, but they'll eat. Those fish are right here. Just pull down. That's a key for real. That's a key. Hey, it's one every now and then, you know. You ain't got him yet. Way to go, Gerald. That's a nice fish right there. Good job.
Shit, somebody do it.
Good job.
About 11 foot. 10 foot.
No. Now we cook it. Nice and easy, guys. Just put them in the pot.
Oh.
I think he'll keep. I'll have to measure. Yeah, he's good. He's good, I can tell. He's right. Look at this. Yeah, good. He's getting serious, Frank. Yeah, it's a nice one. Alright, dang. Look here. I had a y'all got some meat. I caused you to catch yours. That was cool right there. That was cool. We got out here in the middle and we caught them. 2 of them. Doubles back here.